now down onto the floor for this week's
Introducing to you
the sound of now.
Close my eyes, fantasy and inspiration flies. I lose control as it seems, and I start living in the land of dreams.
Everybody in the land of dreaming, everybody in the land of dreams, everybody in the land of dreaming, everybody in the land of dreams. Oh, living in the land of dreaming. Oh, living in the land of dreaming.
Fantasy and inspiration flies. I try to relax and to free my mind, so I can leave everything behind. Pictures circle around my head. Some are good, some are bad. I lose control as it seems, and I start